Everybody's Charlie's Trains. We have a steam locomotive, Lionel 1666, going back, pulling Reading passenger cars. We have the Circus train car with a steam locomotive, a laughter car with clowns on it, elephant car and caboose. We have a trolley car from 1950 going back and forth. Everything's looking good. And if you could, please subscribe to me on YouTube. It's Charlie's with Apostrophe S Trains 9169. I appreciate it. There's a trolley car coming back now. Everything's looking good. I hope everybody enjoys this video, and if you could, have a great day. And thank you for watching.